Joining us now, Utah Senator Mike Lee, author of the new book, Saving Nine, and former law clerk to Justice Alito. Senator, it turns out that this vitriol during the Kavanaugh hearings was just the beginning, wasn't it?
Just the beginning. Seems to be getting worse. They know only contempt for the rule of law and now contempt for the justices themselves. That's tragic.
Well, how dangerous could this get, Senator? I mean, sending people to the homes of the justices. I mean, you do that when someone's nominated to the court, and it's kind of dramatic. Remember, you take your coffee on the way. They show the video. But this is something quite different. The marshal's office, I understand, is quite worried about this.
They are quite worried, and they have every reason to be quite worried. Look, in this day and age, in particular, Laura, there is never a good, legitimate reason to go and protest at the home of a public official. This is a place where they sleep. This is a place where, if they've got children in the home, where they're raising children. It's an implicit threat of physical violence, and that has no place in our system of government, certainly no place in our judicial system. And yet, that's what they're wanting to do. And remember, Laura, why they're doing this. They're doing this to delegitimize, degrade, and isolate those members of the Supreme Court who may be considering joining the masterfully written and eminently correct opinion of Justice Alito in the Dobbs case. This is simply unacceptable. Look, they made a constitutional doctrine out of whole cloth, one that doesn't exist. They're mad now because the Supreme Court is finally recognizing that it doesn't exist, and they're wanting to use violence to get their way. That's shameful.
And Senator Lee, the GOP establishment, you know, I've not been big friends with them on a lot of issues. And on these social issues, they mouth the platitudes of being pro-life. But then when it came to this decision, you see kind of a lot of them like, oh, well, let's move on and talk about taxes or inflation. You have been such a stalwart pro-life senator and advocate for your whole life. Yet you're being challenged by a so-called independent being funded by out-of-state billionaires and other leftist activists. So I was getting all these texts and knew you were coming in. They said, oh, how do we help Mike Lee? How do we help Mike Lee? I don't know how we help you, because I think you're obviously going to win this. But tell me what's going on here in this race.
Well, first of all, anyone who wants to help me can do so by going to my website at leeforsenate.com. That's leeforsenate.com. And when they go to leeforsenate.com, what they will discover is that I'm being challenged by an opponent, one who's running as an independent but has now been backed by the Democratic Party, one who voted for Joe Biden, encouraged others to vote for Joe Biden, and has praised Joe Biden while criticizing everything Donald Trump ever did. This is not someone who has the interests of the American people or the Constitution at heart.
And the economy and all the other issues we've been talking about, crime and so forth, they're willing to throw all those away in order to try to kill off the America First agenda. Mitt Romney, the fact that he's not endorsed you is shameful. People of Utah deserve you to get reelected, and I'm looking forward to watching this race. Senator Lee, thank you.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.